Hey, Charles Bradley here. Welcome to Facebook Live from Domino Vet. We have a short one today on Friday, and I'd like to talk about bad breath in dogs and cats, also known as halitosis. So halitosis, also known as a funny name. It can be caused by a few things, but the first thing to think about is periodontal disease. So that's very common in every pet. It's been estimated that 60 to 70% of all mammals have periodontal disease, and I see it every day, almost in every pet. And what that means is that there's bacterial accumulation on the teeth and consequent inflammation of the gums. And sometimes it's so bad it's like a trench mouth. It's just horrible. And there's grades, grade 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll come back to that, but I just want to mention a few other possible causes. You could have a foreign body in the mouth. Now, we've seen that before, where a dog had a stick wedged on the roof of its mouth, and it was really leading to a bad odor because it was all infected around that, and the body was just trying to deal with it. So remove stick, clean wound. A week later, the breath was fine. So a foreign material in the mouth is a possibility. And unfortunately, we also have to think about oral cancer in this regard. A growth in the mouth, I've seen that many times. Especially in cats, there's something called squamous cell carcinoma, and that can smell and ooze and be definitely a cause of bad breath. The other thing that we'll see in cats particularly is something called uremic breath. Uremia is a buildup of bad toxins because of kidney failure. So the point here I'm trying to make is that bad breath can be a sign of metabolic disease. So it might be a good idea to have a check of the blood if that's the case. In any event, if we are going to do anesthesia to do a good physical exam of the mouth or a good oral exam, we need full general anesthesia, and we want to have safe general anesthesia by making sure that there's no underlying health issues. So let's just finish up now, and we'll talk about periodontal disease, the most number one disease that we see in dogs and cats. And that's often accompanied by oral pain. We really can't tell until we have a pet anesthetized and do that oral exam under anesthetic what's going on. And it can be so camouflaged that there could actually be abscessed roots. And we had a dog that had 3 abscessed roots on both sides recently, and we had no idea without doing the dental x-ray, and that can certainly lead to bad breath as well. So just to summarize, bad breath, you think about bad teeth, number one. You can also think about some kind of internal or metabolic disease. And unfortunately, we have to think about foreign bodies and growths like oral cancer. If you want to learn more about halitosis or talk to us, you can reach us here at Domino Veterinary Hospital. Always willing to share our knowledge. If you have any questions, send them in. And for now, that's Facebook Live from Domino Vet. I'm Dr. Charles Bradley. Thank you very much. See you next time.